Alright, I know I have kind of a mess here. I got a lot of things going on, and I know the air conditioner's on, but this is going to be really quick, so bear with me. Just wanted to kind of describe this product I got this from getfpv.com. It is the Lumenier, as you can see, TX 5G25 RaceBand transmitter. 25 milliwatts. So there's the other side. It's 1, 2, 3, 4 bands. So it's like 32 channel transmitter. Comes with this antenna. I have a CP antenna I'll put on it, but wanted to just show you quick how I set it up for live video with my GoPro. Any camera should be really easy to set up with this, but I set it up with a GoPro. So there's the transmitter there, and it comes with this cable here, which has this JST plug for your battery, and then it has this like servo plug for your video feed. And it has an onboard microphone, so that's really good because your audio channel is going to be grounded properly, but it doesn't seem to have a microphone input on the plug here. That's just power, which I didn't use, and ground and signal. So what I did was I got this cable from GetFPV, which is the GoPro cable. You just plug it into the side of your GoPro there, turn the GoPro on. There we go. And I just took the servo wires out of the plug that it came with. It came with this plug, and I carefully removed the pins from there and just stuck them in here like this. Now I may actually shorten this wire and put some proper servo plugs and on here and a real plug, but for the time being, this is working just fine. So let me plug in the battery here. Which way does it go? That way. Oh, it's tricky to do with one hand, but I've done it 1,000 times though. Anyway, once you get it turned on, you can see there's your channel selector button here, so you can select channels on the transmitter this way. One press, I guess, clicks it to the next channel. Right, so the first group of channels is like the Fat Shark immersion RC channels that I'm using. So it goes back to channel 1, and a long press will change the band that you're using. It has 4 different ones, including the new RaceBand, which is designed for like close quarters racing. So I have my Dominator glasses here. And as you can see, let me see if I can make that work. Yeah, the image from the camera is working just fine. And that is awesome. You know, when I started doing this stuff, getting an FPV setup to work was tricky. And this just plug and play and you're done. So let's walk around a little bit and see how glitchy it is, because it is 25 milliwatts. So let's see. I walked all the way across the house here, behind walls and stuff, and that's still pretty darn clear. Like, and I'm not even using a decent antenna. So let's walk back and see what happens here. Go behind the fridge. Like, even behind the refrigerator, like directly behind the refrigerator, it's working fine. So I think that's pretty good. I'll do a test later, but I think for just initial setup and stuff, that's pretty darn good. And it was so simple. I'm really impressed with these products today. It's gonna make racing really simple. It's gonna make it more accessible, and that's gonna make racing a lot more fun. So if you're thinking about looking for a transmitter, I think this Lumenier one's pretty good. They do have different power levels. There's a bigger one you can get also. So, but yeah, works good for my purposes.